Okay, well, I am going to make a video here, short little video about a problem I was having with the car. It was a intermittent no start. Sometimes it would start, sometimes it wouldn't. Sometimes it would run for a couple minutes and then stall. I'm going to show you what I found. Is it had no fuel pressure. That's what turned into the diagnostic problem. And what I found is the plug where it goes into the fuel pump was it got hot and it melted the plug. And then when you get down into the fuel pump itself and you look down in the hole, you can see it actually melted a hole right through the top of the pump. And if you get down in the plug, it got all hot. Not good for the fuel tank, that's for sure. But I replaced the fuel pump and the wiring harness to go into the fuel pump, and it's starting up good now. So that was one down the road. Thank you very much for watching my video.